Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Khov Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now in the Google search bar, search for Khov Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Khovanian Homes. Now click on the menu which is on the left hand side of your screen and click Mortgage. It will lead you to this page where you can scroll down and click Apply Now in this section over here. Click Apply Now, scroll down and click I acknowledge. Now what you need to do is press Login. It will take some time and it will lead you to this login portal of your Khov Mortgage account. Keep your patience and there you go. This is the login portal where you must write your username, your password and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Khovanian Mortgage account, also known as Khov Mortgage. So all you need to do is write down your username and password associated with your Khov Mortgage account and click login. You can hide or unhide the password at any time as you click on this eye icon, and then if you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, click on this box and you will no longer have to write your username and password. And if you have forgotten your username or password, these are the links which you want to follow through to change your password or retrieve back your username. If you are new to Khov and want to create an account, click create account and then create a Khov Mortgage account for yourself. This was a video on how you can log into your Khov Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.